let us discuss about that. Yes, let us discuss about that. What are the challenges are faced by unorganized sector laborers or workers? Is here the unorganized sector laborers or workers are facing the many more challenges. Let us discuss about that one by one. That is the migration, social security, and legal framework, and child labor, then physical and mental exploitation of women. So these type of the problems they are facing. Let us discuss about the one by one. First one is the migration. As migration we can see in the study of the book is called Foot Losers. The book Food Losers. It is study about the circular migration. What is it? Study about the circular migration. What is the meaning of migration? What is shifting people one place to another place? What is moving people one place to another place for living purpose is called what is migration. Is it? So, in the Food Losers, in this book, they explains about the circular migration. Migration, it is the migration is the inevitability for the unorganized sector, because of they are moving one place to another place. In a sense, their living place to their working place for search of job, for working purpose is the inevitability. So more migration we can see in the unorganized sector. Then afterwards, this what is migration is main cause for this migration is what is for search of work. They are moving one place to another place for searching work. Is it? So this is the main cause for the migration. Okay, so the people who migrate the one place to another place, they are not getting the social security. What is unorganized people are facing the migration. It is one of the problem. They are not living in a single place. They move to one place to another place for search of job. Is it? So likewise in the Food Loser, in this book they explains about that the circular migration is the inevitable for the unorganized sector, because of those people are migrate one place to another place, in a sense the living place to working place for the purpose of what is working. As one marks question will rise from this migration. Why people migrate one place to another place? Is it? Why people migrate one place to another place? Because of in search of work. What is? Because of in search of work. This is the one marks question already asked in the before last year question paper. Yes, the migration is cause for the what is it is one of the a challenge for the unorganized sector people. These people who migrate the one place to another place, they are not secured. So, they are not getting the social security. They are facing the social insecurity. Yes, this is about the migration. Second one is the social security. So, here we can see that unorganized laborers are not getting the social security. They are facing the social insecurity. Let us discuss about that. What is the meaning of social security? So, social security means providing the housing or shelter, health, food facility, water facility, drinking water facility. Then afterwards, what is a good working opportunity, equal working opportunity to the peoples. Providing these universally and publicly is called what it is social security. Understand? What is the meaning of social security? One marks question. Social security means providing of the health facility, shelter or housing, health facility. Then afterwards, equal job opportunity, then water, food, drinking water facility. Is it equal employment opportunity and providing universally or publicly is called what it is social security. The people who are migrate one place to another place, they are facing the social insecurity. Okay, so then afterwards we can see that the more unorganized sector peoples are facing this type of the what is social insecurity. Yes, the next is the legal framework. So here unorganized peoples, unorganized sector laborers are not have the legal framework. Is it? They are not how the benefits like the EPF, medical facilities, health facilities, overtime payment, and also especially minimum wage they not have, is it? So according to the Wage Act 1971, Wage Act is passed. What is the minimum wage? Minimum Wage Act. Minimum Wage Act is passed in the period of 1971, but now also the unorganized sector peoples are not getting the minimum wage. What is, they are not have the legal framework. There are no fixed time, fixed work they have. Is it? Then there are not have some benefits like the health medical benefits and EPF facilities. Even the minimum wage also there are not have. So according to the Minimum Wage Act 1971, in the period of the 1971, the Minimum Wage Act is passed, but unorganized sector peoples are not getting the minimum what is minimum wage, but there are not have some more benefits, and also there are not have the employment security also. Okay, and they are not have the what is guarantee for the life in work environment. So these legal framework they are not have in the unorganized sector. Then child labor is here we can see the child labor in the unorganized sector. Semi-skilled and also the unskilled jobs have this type of the child labor. Many more child labor are working in the firecrackers and very dangerous environment. So the greed of the producers, they appoint the children for what purpose? To paying the very less payment, and they get the more work from these labors. For that purpose they appoint the children here. But it is the greed of the producers, they appoint the children for what purpose? The less payment and more work. What it is? For less payment and more work, for that purpose they appoint the children here. Okay, so especially unorganized sector, it is least for the child labor. What is here? The unorganized sectors, it is least the more child labor. Okay, this is about the child labor. In unorganized sector, we facing the child labor problem. It is one of the great challenge to our society. Then physical and mental exploitation. Yes, we can see that more nowadays, the more women are working in the unorganized sector as the domestic helpers. Is it? The more women are working in the unorganized sector as the domestic helpers, we can see here. Then they are exploited by in the physically and mentally also. Is it? Those women who are working in the unorganized sector, they are exploited by mentally and physically also. So according to the what it is stats of the 2014 and 15, this stats giving that data, 77% of the women are working in the unorganized sector. But it is here the physical mental exploitation of the women we can see in the unorganized sector. Here the women are working in the unorganized sector as a domestic helpers. Is it? So 2014 and 15 statistics is giving the what it is the data about that 77% of the women are working under the unorganized sector. And also we can see here the mental and physical exploitation of the women in the unorganized sector. And also the sexual harassment and exploitations we can see in the unorganized sector for women. What it is, we can see here women's sexual harassment and also the exploitation we can see in the unorganized sector. This is daily we can report this. Is it? So likewise what it is here the physical and mental exploitation we can see in the unorganized sector for women. Is it? These are all the challenges faced by the unorganized sector. So they can ask the 1 mark question from this. Is it? Which book is giving the explanation about the circular migration? Is it? Otherwise, what is the meaning of migration? Migration, why in the unorganized sector gets the more migration? It leads the migration. Is it? So likewise question, applied question will be raised this lesson. So what is the meaning of social security is the direct question. Is it? So what are the social insecurities? Is it not providing the housing, not having the shelter facility, food, good water, drinking water facility, good equal employment opportunity, not providing by these from the government is called the social insecurity. It is faced by the unorganized sector peoples. Understand this? What is the social security? They may be asked this question. Okay, then why unorganized sector peoples are facing the social security? Because of they migrate to one place to another place is for searching job, and there is a no equal employment opportunity to the people. This is the main cause for the social insecurity. Okay, then next is the legal framework. How the unorganized sector peoples are not under the legal framework. How justify this? These peoples are not getting the minimum wage. Is it not? What is for the unorganized sector laborers not getting the some more medical benefits, health facilities, EPF? Is it? You should write all this. Then next is the what is unorganized sector is leads for the child labor. How? They may be asked this type of the question. What it is? Unorganized sector is leads for the child labor. How? Semi-employed, semi-skilled and what it is skillless jobs is also provided for the unorganized sector peoples. Afterwards, the greed of the producers appoint the children for as a labor because of they pay less and they get the more work, less payment and more work. For that purpose they appoint the children, so it leads for the child labor. Okay, then next we can see the women exploitation, physical and mental exploitation in the unorganized sector. How is it? According to the 2014 and 16 stats, 77% of the women working in the unorganized sector, then they are exploited by the physical and mentally. They are exploited in the unorganized sector. Then afterwards, sexual exploitation also there in the unorganized sector. This is the statement that. And then afterwards, one more question will rise by here. Why people migrate? And in unorganized sector, why people migrate one place to another place? Why more migration in the unorganized sector? Because of searching work. Okay, this is the answer. Otherwise, they may be asked the 4 marks question or 3 marks question for this. You should write the one point and explanation of this. What are the challenges faced by the unorganized sector? You should write the migration and the explanation, social security and explanation, then legal framework and explanation, child labor explanation, and physical and mental exploitation explanation. You should write all. You fix in mind what is the meaning. You should see this. Social security means what? Migration means what? You should understand this and write the explanation. Okay, this is all about the challenges are faced by the unorganized sector labors. Yes, well dear friends, we have successfully completed the first term syllabus of the sociology. Is it? The first lesson, social stratification already finished. Then afterwards the second lesson is the labor is also finished. Your syllabus is reduced in the labor, that is the labor with pay and labor without pay in this year. Okay.